if you always wanted to create an agent that will talk to your leads and your potential customers on WhatsApp, right? That has all your business information and details, and that will close the customers for you, help them solve the queries, answer their questions without your involvement, then this video is for you, because you don't need to learn N10 or any technical mumble jumble. I've deployed an agent that can directly implement it for your business, for your client, for your use case, and then have it deployed for your WhatsApp number. So all the inbound leads that are coming, or even the outbound messages that you're sending, everything will be answered with an AI agent with 99% accuracy. No AI kind of messages, no generic messages, everything personalized for what user is asking and for what you offer, right? And always leading them to actually make the decision with the call to action of signing up for your webinar, for your coaching, for your business, or getting your service, getting your product. This is so cool, okay? So what you gotta do is, this is the agent, and make sure you join the school community, the link in the description, to get all the information about setting it, deploying it, how to get access for this, every single thing, okay? In the school community I've shared. I just want to show you, right? So I call this sales agent, and the way it's going to work, all your inbound messages, first you set it up with your Meta WhatsApp API, right? Just put your phone number, your business ID. Once that is set up, I'll be showing you that in the school, right? So make sure you join it, absolutely free. And all your inbound leads will come here. That everyone does it, right? The magic, right? You can do campaigns, you can kind of import all the contact details, and kind of, it's kind of your CRM as well. But the AI agent is game changer, right? That means I'm going to show you how you can add your FAQ documents, your customer support request, your all the information, and even your website. It will go there, learn about it, and automatically understand every single pieces about your business, so that when the user comes to your WhatsApp or asks you questions, you don't have to be manually involved, or like literally no one has to be manually involved there to query them. That is gonna boost a lot of productivity from your side if you're just a solo founder doing everything by yourself, and also bring you leads on autopilot 24/7, never sleeping again, no delays, no wait times, or no any potential client missed, right? Potential customer missed. So what you have to do is you add a website URL, and let's say I'm going to do HTTPS. Let's say I'm going to just use my my website, and just going to do start scraping, right? And that's it. Now it's gonna what it's gonna do, it's gonna go there, it's gonna process it, it's gonna create what we call the database entry, it's gonna create the chunk, it's gonna store all the information, and it is done. It takes few seconds. And let me actually show you. Imagine this, right? If somebody comes on my WhatsApp, how does it work, right? If someone says that, okay, I'm not a technical person, will this still work for me? Check this out, right? And then boom, that is it, guys. It's gonna show a typing message for the user, and it's gonna automatically answer to that question. Boom. Yes, it is actually perfect. This cohort, specifically for my thing, right? It's talking. You don't need to write a single line of code. And the user says it remembers it. It memorizes the entire conversation as well. So that like I have, guys, used all these things, and this was my burning problem for my client. And I was like, if no one does, then I gotta solve this, and it's finally solved. No generic answers, no hallucinations, no copy paste templates, stuff like that. Let's say, for example, right, I don't have time to implement, or I don't have time because I have a job. Will I still be able to get benefit from this? Boom. Like your user, right? Your potential lead or stuff like that. Imagine, right? What is the timing? Can I do this? Do you have the sizing and stuff like that? Boom. Look at this. Don't worry. If you have a busy schedule, every live session is recorded. Like, I don't even need to put anything. Everything it fetches from my website. It fetches from my portal. Like, guys, this is game changer, right? Like, every single lead that is coming on your WhatsApp asking all sorts of questions, you have your autonomous agents working 24/7, answering to every question and every lead and every messages, so that you never miss out on a single customer opportunity. While sales go up, while revenue go up, leads number go up, your business growth goes up without your manual intervention, and you can monitor all the chats here. Some are outbound, you know, sorry, some inbound messages will appear here. You can, if you want, right, you can yourself once in a day check how things are going. Guys, this is game changer. Let me actually show you, just so that let's say I go here and I say, like, okay, you know also, do I need to invest in any tools in order to get benefit for this? Let's say, for example, this is mine, talking about my cohort and my offer, right? Let's see. This is crazy. Not at all. You don't need to subscribe any paid version of any large language model before the training. Most of the platform use create these AI have generous free tiers automatically. This is crazy, right? And check this out. So, for example, I'm gonna say, okay, I'm not familiar. Okay, let me actually reframe this, right? So, I'm not actually, one second. I'm not an English native speaker. My first language is Spanish. Will I be still able to learn it, like learn from it and stuff like that? Let's see. This is game changer, guys. It's game changer, right? Imagine all those leads opportunities that you're missing, right? All this, right? Okay, that's a very, very good question, right? See, I don't have information about that. Let me connect you with your team. This is I set a fallback, right? Because sometimes, yeah, I mean, literally, I don't provide that information, right? Neither it is presented on my website, or nor I mentioned it properly, right? So instead, AI hallucinating it and saying, yeah, it will work. It automatically opens up that in your chat, creates a contact, so that it will, like, okay, this is a thing that you need to answer, because this is something that you don't even provide on your website. Like, how would it work? So then you get newer objections that you can handle, that you can present, that you can solve for your in your sales page, that you can add, and in the knowledge base you can add manual text as well, right? You can talk about your FAQs and stuff like that, because ultimately you don't want AI to hallucinate, right? You want it to automate. You don't want it to, like, answer anything what it thinks, right? This is why I put this fallback thing, right, guys? This is game changer. And make sure you join the school community, absolutely free. We'll be showing you how to access this, how to use it, how to implement it for your clients, for your business. And down the line, if you want this something, a lot of you guys run an agency, have a lot of clients, you want to white label this, every opportunity exists, okay? Everything is possible. Just join the school community for absolutely free. Hope you love this. No editing, mumble jumble, no technical. Again, right? The day of learning any technical know-how is gone. You should not be. I recommend you should not, right? Because there are agents that are there for you if you know how to type in English, right? That's a goal. That's the thing. You don't have to spend a good quality of your time, right? Good amount of your time into learning all this, right? Everything is possible is when you have a specific framework, proven systems and processes. And I'm going to hand you every single day. We talked about content cloning. We talked about website creation, funnel, now automation, sales, support. Then we'll be talking about content creation, social media. Everything can be mastered, right? And I will be handing you so that you don't have to do all the mistakes, learning, spending a lot of money, a lot of failures, a lot of setbacks, a lot of demotivation when things does not work, because all you get is a ready-made, ready to deploy, ready to use, a production ready agent that can deploy for yourself to automate your business, work smarter, work faster, grow your business, or for your clients, so you scale your agency, scale your coaching program. All right, perfect. I'll talk to you in the next one. If you like this, make sure you like and subscribe. And then thank you so much for your time. See ya. Love you all. Bye.